Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl. In this problem, we're looking for the solutions to the equation 2 minus 2x minus x squared equals 0. And we're going to want to write any complex solutions in standard form. Well, when I first look at this, what I like to do is have my equation written, or my polynomial written, in descending order with a leading coefficient that's positive. That's not necessary, but it's just easier for me to look at it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and add x squared to both sides, add 2x to both sides, and subtract 2 from both sides. So what I end up with is 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 2. Now to find the solutions, the easiest way would be if I could factor this, but it doesn't factor. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So remember that the quadratic formula tells me that x is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in my problem, the b term is 2. So I'll have minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a. Now the a term is just 1. So I'll multiply by 1. And then times c, the c term is my constant term, which is a negative 2. So I'll multiply by negative 2. And then the whole thing is divided by 2 times a, which we said was a 1. Okay, so now I know that I've got negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 8 all over 2. This is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 12 all over 2. I can reduce root 12 by writing it as minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. And now I notice that I can take a 2 out of each of those, so let's factor out a 2. And I'm going to have 2 times the quantity minus 1 plus or minus root 3 all over 2. The 2's cancel, and I'm left with minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 3. Now in this case, both of my solutions are real. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.